Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to, or don't bother subscribing, unless you want, of course. Right, back on this bike, a Haro, something or other. We got this tyre, expensive, pink camo shit, purple or whatever. And this one, this is pink and blue, now mostly pink. Finally got round to fixing my puncher. Umbrella Corporation. Right, come on, let's see if we can get down this bit without running into hundreds of dog walkers and other people that want to bother us. Anyone coming? One of those corners. Right, up we go. Wow. Feels good to be back on this bike, actually. It's not so goddamn noisy, you know. Taking up turf all day. Or not. Oh look, I think we're all quiet on the eastern front today. Possibly. Right, here we are. Coming down the lane, bridle path. Lane, dirt track. Ding. Whoa. Yeah, that's what it is. There's that tree. Whoa, bumpy. Well, yeah, here we go. Watch out for fawns. Watch out for fawns. Usual shit. Well, it's nice and quiet. I suppose it's because it's starting to rain a bit. Something like that. Yeah. Wow.